Hey guys, welcome to my channel Joe Boy Techie. Hope you all are doing fine. So today I'm going to talk about this online software called Canva. Now I know most of you out there must be already familiar with this app on smartphones, but you get better flexibility on the website. So if you are a digital creator, for example like a YouTuber, or if you like to get creative with your Instagram or Facebook stories or posts or creating logos, presentations, etc., then Canva is something that you should know about. Now there are many people out there who are well accustomed with Photoshop, but there are many who do not know how to use it. Well, let me tell you that Canva is the perfect replacement, and also it gives you the option to choose from a lot of amazing design templates, which also includes some free to use images and videos. So Canva is available on the Google Play Store and Apple's App Store, but first we'll go through the website. So to open the Canva website on your system, just search for Canva on your browser, open the first link that shows up, and you'll be greeted with this amazing yet subtle website. Now everything here is very simple, not very hard to understand. On the top you get the home page, the templates, features, learn, and the pricing. Now obviously this is not completely free to use, which we'll get to later. First thing, if you jump into the templates tab, you'll notice you get some of the free default templates here, like social media templates, which includes your Instagram story, Instagram post, Facebook posts, or something like an invitation card or something like that. Something related to business, your templates related to marketing, education. If you jump into the features tab, you get some free photos, background photos, or anything related to nature, animals, food, some icons that you can add to your folders and stuff like that. And you have some more ideas for print related stuff. Now, if you're not done with all of this, you even get tutorials on designing, branding, on personal branding, social media mastery, and stuff like that. You can go through all of this. There are some blogs as well, which is very nice. And here's the pricing tab, which we'll go through later. On the side here, you get some handy tabs, like for example, all of your designs. Now, whatever you create by default, it will be saved here. If you want to view all of them nicely, you can jump into all your folders, and all of your designs, the ones that you've liked, the ones that you've purchased, the ones that you've shared, and the ones that you've deleted as well, will be stored here, and then you can choose later on if you want to delete them or keep it. Now brand kit. Brand kit is something that I really like on this website here, where you can upload all the default templates of your brand here, like for example your logo, color palette, and the font style. Now take for example my YouTube channel. My brand logo is the JBT logo, so I can add that here. Then I mostly use yellow, grey and white, so I can add those here. And I have a default font as well, which I use in all of my thumbnails and in my Instagram posts as well. So I can upload all of that here, and it will be very handy for me in case I want to create something related to my YouTube channel. Then you can even create a team here. Like for example, if you have a lot of members in your team, then you can add them in this group, and you can share all the stuff that you guys make. And in this shared with you tab, you'll be able to see what others have shared with you. So now this was all the basic stuff that any one of you could understand. It's not very difficult. So let me create something here just to show you how the basic interface looks like. So on the right hand side, you'll see this tab here to create a design. If you select that, you'll get some of the basic design templates here, like for example poster, flyer, Instagram post, logo, and stuff like that. And the best part here is it'll choose the default size as well, which we actually spend a lot of time doing research on if we don't know. Like the default size for a poster is already mentioned here, for a flyer, for an Instagram post, for a logo, for a resume, and stuff like that. And in case you're not able to find a template that you want, you can even create a custom size here. Just select the custom size option and you can add your width and height, and you can create the design. But right now I'll just use some of the basic templates available. So I'll close this here. Now these are some of the default ones available, but there are more than these. Like for example, if you want YouTube related stuff, then just search here YouTube, and you'll get all the things that you want. Like for example, YouTube channel art, YouTube display ad, YouTube icon, YouTube thumbnail, and stuff like that. So let's create a YouTube thumbnail. I'll select YouTube thumbnail, and by default it will take the size of 1920 by 1080, which is the basic. So here you get some of the templates here. Here you can use some of the free photos available, the elements, text, audio, video, and stuff like that. So I'll just select one of the default templates here, like for example this one. So once you import the default template of your liking, you'll have access to all the layers, which means you'll be able to make changes as you desire. You can edit the text the way you want. You can change the color of the BG to something like this. You can change the color of this or even this image here. And this is the best way to make things look unique rather than just using the same template as your own. Or the other easy way is to just change the position of the objects, like shift the text here, shift this image here to the right, or shift the BG here. Even when it comes to the text, you get all the controls like font style, size, the color, alignment, etc. From here, you can copy the style from a particular layer. Then you can change the opacity. You can add an external link if you want, then lock or duplicate an object. Like Photoshop, you don't get a separate dialog box for layers, but you can do it directly from here, like how we do in Illustrator or Corel Draw. You can right click and send to back or forward depending on how you want it. You can even add animations in case you want to export this as a video on your Instagram or Facebook. Now, although all of this feels awesome, there are some limitations. Like for example, once you're done creating your presentation here, you won't be able to export this in PowerPoint format. You can either export it as a PDF, download an MP4 format, or just preview it directly from here. Now in the Canva Pro version, this is what you'll get. You'll have access to 75 million plus premium photos, videos and elements. Then the next thing what you'll get is a magic resize tool, a background remover, for example like a green screen or something like that. And the third main thing that you'll get is that you'll have access to brand kit, content planner, some extra folders and 100 GB of extra online storage. Now when it comes to the pricing of Canva Pro, you have to pay nearly 8,900 a year. And I think it's not that bad of a deal in case you're a person who's running a small business and if you do not have the time to take a look at your social media uploads, then this website will handle that for you. Now when it comes to the Canva app on your smartphone, you get all the features here as well. But it's just that due to the small screen space, you might not get the flexibility unless you have a Samsung Note phone where the S Pen can get the job done with ease. So in short, this has been a very useful website. Even I have used this to create some of my stuff for my YouTube channel and it has been proven to be very handy. So make sure to try the Canva app on your smartphone and on your systems, and do let me know in the comment section if there's any other alternative to this. Guys, if you like this video or you found it informative, then hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, take care of yourself till then. See you next time.